Today on Grim 3D, we are going to be unboxing this Prusa i3 Mark III. Stay tuned. First of all, we're just going to go ahead and get some of this packing off of it. This is the way it came from Prusa. I've had it a little while and haven't had the time to put it together. So there's the box that was on top, molars and multiplexer. Let's take a look at that. There you have it. This is a kit, obviously, so we're going to be putting these together by ourselves here. Set that aside for now. And maybe that X-Acto knife's not the best idea. Let's try some scissors. That's much better. We got another box on top here. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe we can open it up really fast. So that's what we've got in there. Some parts, some pieces, looks like some bearings. I would guess that this is probably the multi-material unit spool holder. Next box. Multi-material unit upgrade. Look at that, I got me some Haribos. Those are pretty nice. Tasty. Das Original. And then parts for the multi-material unit. And it looks like the actual hot end right there. Put the cap back on that. Safety first. And here we have the main box for the Prusa. Handle on top, that's interesting. Original Prusa i3 Mark III kit. Original Prusa i3 Mark III. Thank you note. That's pretty interesting. Some Prusa stickers. Nice. 3D printing handbooks in there. And then some assembly instructions. Very nice. Two Y-axis extrusions. It looks like this is the heat bed, printing bed. And that's very nice. I'm excited to see the flexible, removable printing bed. Obviously the power supply, at the very least. There may be more electronics in there than just the power supply, but Considering there aren't very many wires coming out of it, I seriously doubt it. Probably just a power supply. Pretty simple. Let's see what this is. I got a bunch of zip ties and some hand tools, Allen wrenches. There's some glue stick down there on the bottom, linear bearings, all kinds of good stuff in that box. Some more Haribo in the other box, very nice. Gummy bears, can't go wrong with gummy bears. Another box, looks like these are motor holders, brackets, Prusa research stuff, most likely custom printed by them, which is fine. I'm excited about that as well. Here's a box of silver 1.75 millimeter PLA. It's awesome because I didn't have any silver, so that's cool. Here's the motor kit, came out of the box. Take a look at this. Very nice. We've got some lead screws, motors, stepper motors. Awesome, awesome. And here we have a tube full of guide rods, wire looms, all kinds of good stuff in there. We'll hang on to that, of course. And here we have pretty much everything that came in the Prusa i3 Mark III with multi-material unit 2.0. Everything that came in the box. I can't wait to get started putting it together. Well, there you have it, the unboxing. Really excited to get all this stuff together and make a working printer out of it. Right now it doesn't look like much more than just a few boxes. But we'll get it taken care of in the next couple of days. Stay tuned. I think I'll see you tomorrow.